guys, my name's Gloria, welcome to my channel. Tis the holiday and your girl is frozen to death here in Canada. So I'm actually flying to Florida for 12 days to escape this bitterness. In this video, I will show you how I pack for a warm weather getaway. I'm going to walk you through how I plan for my outfits based on the weather and the activities and some other travel essentials that I'm bringing for a 12-day trip. Alright, let's do this! Step 1 is of course research the weather because you don't want to be surprised when you get there. Weather could fluctuate a lot, so make sure to double check closer to the date. For example, I'm going to Daytona Beach in Florida. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in Daytona Beach weather December, and I have this result here from AccuWeather. Should be accurate. So it looks like the average low is around 11 degrees and the high is 24 degrees. Now that you know what the weather's going to be like, you can start planning your activities so that you can dress accordingly. If you have a set itinerary, it will make things so much easier, but in my case, I don't plan to have a set schedule. I have a list of activities that I want to do, and I'll choose whatever I feel like doing that day. So what I'm going to do is to lay out all the activities that I want to do on a list, and then I'll put them into general categories to make it easier when I start planning my outfits later. Now, the next step is my favorite part, which is planning the outfits. Outfits are usually the hardest thing to pack for because you need to plan your outfits days in advance. What I think will really help is to have a color palette. This way it will be easier to mix and match your clothes, and also it prevents you from bringing too much. Usually it involves me standing in front of my closet contemplating for the longest time. After careful consideration, I've decided that my color palette is white, black, beige, and navy blue. These are all neutral colors that I can easily mix and match, and they also give up that beach vibe that I'm going for. And since 11 to 24 degrees is a pretty wide range, it could be very pleasant, but it could get really chilly. So my best bet is layering. For outwear or layering, I'm going to bring 2 coats, 1 sweater, and a sport jacket. I will be bringing a winter coat, which I will be wearing when I'm traveling from Toronto, a trench coat for layering when I'm down in Florida, a chunky knit sweater also for layering, and a golf jacket for sport. I'm also going to bring 7 tops, a short sleeve polo shirt for sport, a black long sleeve top, a Britain shirt, a blue striped shirt, a beige shirt, a white linen shirt, and a long white shirt. Actually, just in case it's hotter than I think, a white t-shirt and a black t-shirt as backup. I'm going to bring 5 bottoms, a pair of beige pants, a pair of blue jeans, a pair of white jeans, a pair of fitted black trousers, and a pair of white wide leg pants. I will bring 2 dresses, a black dress, and a white polka dot dress. I'm also going to bring 2 swimsuits, a white one and a black one. I'm going to bring 3 pairs of shoes, a pair of brown leather sandals for going to the beach, a pair of golf shoes for walking and sports, and a pair of black ankle boots for more put-together looks. I will bring 2 bags, a soft straw bag, and a brown croc leather bag. For accessories, I will be bringing 2 hats, 1 silk scarf, 3 belts, 2 pairs of sunglasses, and some jewelry. Lastly, don't forget your pajamas, underwear, and socks. Now moving on to toiletries. For toiletries, usually the best practice is to put them into small travel bottles like these ones. I got these from Muji, but honestly, I find myself getting really annoyed whenever I have to do that, so I always just end up bringing the original packaging even if it takes up more space. Of course, I'm going to bring my makeup products. I'm going to put them neatly in one bag, skincare products for both face and body, and hair products like dry shampoo. Now, moving on to electronics. I bring a lot of electronics when I travel because they are important and they make your life easier. Plus, I will still be working on my videos while I travel, so I have an extra excuse. For a starter, I'm bringing a travel size steamer because I want to make sure there are no wrinkles on my clothes. I'm also bringing my laptop, phone, camera, adapter, and all kinds of chargers. And due to the nature of my work, I will also bring a DJI Osmo Pocket for filming videos, a mini tripod, my hard drive, and an SD card reader. Last but not least, some important personal belongings that you may need, especially your passport. I will be bringing my passport, wallet, umbrella, AirPods, agenda, and a book. Now we can start packing. Since I already have everything laid out, the packing should be quick and easy. I'm going to bring a backpack for my valuable items and a luggage for the rest of my stuff. I'm going to leave out what I will be wearing on the day of traveling. For my backpack, I'll put my personal belongings and valuable electronic items in there, and I'll take it with me as my carry-on. For the luggage, I put my shoes in separate dust bags and put my toiletries neatly in one of my handbags. Many people have asked me how to pack hats. What I do is stacking the hats together and stuffing my belts and some clothes like my swimsuits inside the hat. I'll flip the hats over and place them at the top of the suitcase closer to the front. As I pack, I'll place the clothes underneath and around the brim of the hat to prevent my hats from being crushed. And voila, nice and neat. That's it guys, I hope you find this video helpful when you're packing for your next getaway. I will be filming a vacation lookbook while I'm in Florida. Actually, by the time you see this video, I will already be in Florida. I'm going to show you how I put together my outfits with what I brought, so stay tuned for my next video.